Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to create an EA account. First things first, you want to go to ea.com and be on their main website. In here, you want to look for similar banners, possibly different based on the time, and locate the top right corner. You want to click then on the logo, usually an EA logo with a question mark, and a little profile image. Then click on Sign In or Create Account. Then choose Create Account. Once you are here, just enter your email address and click Next. Then you want to provide a public ID for your account. Also, don't forget to set a password that meets the criteria. Usually 8 to 64 characters, including one lowercase letter, one uppercase letter, and sometimes even one digit. And choose security questions and provide some answers. Accept the user agreement and click on Next. Lastly, once your account is verified, your profile will now be automatically created. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you.